Hey, what's up guys? Today we're Don't Press the Button. Now this game is a classic. Well, it's not really, but like, I've looked at it on my recommended and it's pretty funny. I don't know if some of y'all will agree with that. Please don't make me fall. But yeah. Today we're playing the game. Why were there 2 coins there? Games, what is that? Oh no, I know this one. Oh no. Audio warning. It's pretty loud. Not gonna camp. I'm gonna get this guy. No! Oh, I didn't get him. Okay. Oh, I can't move. Run, run. I'm alive. Just keep jumping. Don't worry about the tables. Just keep jumping, bro. No! I fell! Are you serious? That's how I lost? Really? 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 And I was going to be there? Really? Really? Oh my god. Let me give me a diamond. Yes, did I get it? I don't know. Speedrun. Oh, these are easy. Stop blocking me with your wings, bro. Take them off. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to choose your avatar. So easy. Oh, almost fell. Why did they make it so easy? Sorry, I think I'm 4th place. I don't know. That was easy. Oh, you can do it a second time. Nice. Don't think if I'll have enough time. Yeah, no, that wasn't gonna happen, obviously. Wait. Am I still, like, on the winning thing? I hope I am. If I'm not, that's gonna be pretty depressing. No. Okay, lag. Heck. We died again. Well, I'm pretty sure I got 10 coins, so I'm pretty sure that still counts as me completing it. Scored a goal with the soccer ball. I don't know, lag. What the heck? Heck, go. Why do we have set things for this? Come on. Oh no. Yes, make it roll off. No, save it. Save it, X. Yes. Get it. Okay, no one's gonna make this, obviously. No, why did I even think about that? No one scored. That's obvious. Press the button. Oh, again? There was this one time where, like, in the game, you were playing hide and seek, and that was what made me like the game. I was like, wow, that was good. Also, join the Discord server, free. Yeah, join the Discord server. It's where you can talk to me and stuff. But yeah. Come on. No. Yes, make it roll. Oh no. Oh, come on, X. Oh, did they do it? Did we run out of time? I'm not moving. That guy moved. Imagine moving. No. Yes. Okay, this is the one. Bella Toledo. I don't know how you say that. Okay, this one is super fun. Okay. You gotta be careful. You can see the name tags, which is really helpful in this. Now, I don't know what you're doing with your life if you can't see the name tags. Oh, I thought that was her. Ooh, no. Okay, someone with a different name. What is she doing? Oh, she's coming. No. What is she doing? Okay, this is gonna be easy, I guess. Let's go talk to her for a minute, guys. I wanna go see what she's doing, and let's talk to her, you know? Hey, Hey, you okay, ma'am? Ma'am, you okay there? No, no, okay. I don't, guys, I don't think she's okay. Yeah, I don't think she's okay, guys. Ow, I hit a wall. I don't think she's okay. What? Only 3 of us won? Huh? Okay. I think they touched her. Uh-oh, a bomb. Push it out of the base plate. Go, go, go. Guys, push it this way. Yes, let's go, guys. That was easy. What? That was so easy. Oh my god. Okay. What is that? Oh, it's Baldi. Baldi's lagging. Yo, Baldi, where you at? McDonald's now? Bro, Baldi, where are you at? McDonald's or something? Baldi, are you at McDonald's? What, you trying to get some chicken? Okay, I think he was trying to get some chicken nuggets. Mysterious, no, don't pull it. Don't pull it, don't pull it. If you pull it, we're all gonna die. I have a bad feeling. Okay. I had a bad feeling about that leopard. Wait, why does it show mobile controls? It's raining Doges out of the sky. Oh no. It's raining Why do I have 2 mouses? That's weird. Puppy, aren't you serious? You called that a puppy? That was a Doge. No. You're gonna die if you go in there. I don't trust this noob with my life. Let me get a diamond and a coin. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of boring. Bored. Bored. Oh, lava spinner. Lava, what is this? What? It was that easy, but I died? Who's still down there? Nobody. Nobody's down there, right? The thing is, as long as the base plate, so there's no way in cheating it. Who is still down there? I'm trying to look down. Nobody was down there. Okay. Oh no, it's Baldi again with his McDonald's Wi-Fi. Oh crap, he doesn't have McDonald's Wi-Fi anymore. Oh, we gotta run. Bro, Baldi just got juked. Baldi just got juked. Bro, he just got juked. This was him. Ooh, falling. Bro, he just got juked. Okay, I'm glad I was not there. Oh my god, I'm lucky. It's time for a trivia question. Okay. In what year? Don't press the button. It was created in 2020. Oh god damn it. 2019, I guess. I have never played this game, so I don't know. Oh, I saw through that. I saw through that. That's true. That's a lot of damage, bro. Oh no. You gotta look up. The best thing to do is actually, can I not? Okay. Best thing to do in this situation is stand at the edges, because they were programmed to fall there. They're not programmed to fall at the edge. As soon as I say that, as soon as I said that, what if it just like crushed me? But yeah, they're not programmed to go at the edges, so we're good. Just a little cheat for you there. How's this? Oh no. Oh no, it's raining bombs. Same thing with the meteors. There's no way they're going to spawn at the edges. Oh no, I just saw someone commit. They committed, oof. Okay. Done. What? Okay, I'm gonna just keep staying. Time to take a picture. Run. Oh no, lag. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it in the picture. Run. I made it. Sick. Subscribe. You really? Are you serious? Oh, and I wasn't even in the picture. But that guy blocked me. Are you serious? I hate you. I want to kill you. Time to spam click the button. This is easy. Go. I know you can hear me tapping my, what is it? Keypad? No, mouse pad? I don't know. I'm not using my PC right now. 78 times. I did much better last time. Press the button. I don't want to do it. What if that man pops up? Boulders. Oh, this one's easy. I've done this before. You go on the edges or you be smart and go like that. I mean, it's pretty hard. Fun fact, I'm getting glasses soon. Shoo-wee. I was actually pretty bored. That's why I'm playing this game and recording it. Yeah. This one's easy as well. You should know. You just gotta go here. And yeah, that's it. Just gotta go here. Or you can just, you know, if you want to be a savage, just go there, you know. Why? Oh. 2 bacons, right? Dodge the, oh crap! Yeah. My arm really failed me there, didn't it, guys? I mean, if you look closely back at the footage, it failed me, didn't it? Yeah, I did. Oh! Why am I far away? Okay, that was not a good choice. No! What? Okay, I'm kind of confused by that. Okay, well, it looks like nobody made it. Oh, one girl's there. I believe in you, Bacon. Bacon, I believe in you. No, she jumped. She died. She committed. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, man. Rest in peace, Bella Toledo. Okay. Okay, that was a Joker move they pulled on us, I think. The maze before. Oh, this is easy. I never played the maze, but I think it's easy as heck. Come on. Let's go. This maze is so easy. Oh, wrong way. What? Where are we going? No, not the right way. Here. Oh my god, come on. This is the way. Isn't this where we just came from? I do not know. We're gonna make it. I hope that. Oh my god. Dragon thing, I don't know what your name is. You did a bad job on leading me, okay? Horrible leader. Don't take that personally. That did not mean it like that. So go this way. Go right. I can see the light. Oh crap. Yes, go left. I can see the light. Oh, get out. Like I said, I can see the light. I'll get out of here. And I just know it. No, okay. This way? Yeah, does it matter? Yes, it matters. Nope. Knew it. Sorry for the laggy gameplay. Come on, I know you can do this. Come on, X. 24 seconds left. Yes, I can see the light. I did it. I did it! I'm a boss! I am a boss! Yes, I'm truly a Maze professional game. Oh man, that was good. Excuse me. Yeah, that was good. Very good, actually. The diamond disappeared. Oh, and the coin. Oh no! Okay, yeah, that was a close one. If I die, the video ends. So, yeah, that's not happening, right? Right. I hope it's not. Ooh, boy. That was pretty scary indeed. Run away. Yeah. No. Hey, it's the tornado. The tornado is coming after you. It's going in like a pattern. I understand you, tornado. No! I am such a stupid idiot. Well, that's the end of the video. See you guys later. Yeah, goodbye if I'm gonna die by a bomb. Goodbye.